Earlier this year, I started filming most of my at-home videos on an iPhone SE 2020. I picked it up as a dedicated camera because I had heard good things about it, and I know that iPhones have a good audio quality, and it definitely did not disappoint. So, especially since I'm always trying to get reasonably decent quality from my guitar videos, I knew that that was a good decision, and I'm really tired of editing EQ in post. So as much as I like the iPhone SE 2020, I have always been interested in GoPros, and I finally got my hands on one. I went for the Hero 8 Black. And even though we're talking apples to oranges here, they both costed about $400 when they were brand new. And even though there are sale prices and all kinds of different considerations now, I feel like it's still a relevant comparison. And if nothing else, it'll just be fun to see which one has a clearer, more well-rounded sound, at least in regards to an acoustic guitar, because that's the main thing that I worry about here. Keep in mind, as a complete beginner on GoPro, I did mess around with the video settings a little bit. Let's see how this turns out. Pixel, how you doing? Now, personally, I was really impressed with the audio quality of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. When you listen back and forth between those recordings, on the surface, it kind of seems like you're losing some of that high-end sparkle in the EQ that the iPhone was able to capture. However, I can vouch for the fact that being in the actual room where the video was recorded, the GoPro sounded a lot more true to life. More of a flat EQ versus a smile on the iPhone with the mids kind of scooped out. So while I prefer the Hero 8 audio, I do see how some people might actually prefer the iPhone. So this is really a matter of opinion. But for me, I definitely want the more true to life GoPro 8 audio. Let me know how you feel down in the comments. I'd really be curious to hear what you preferred between the two. And also, as far as video quality goes, the GoPro definitely was a little bit darker than I was expecting it to be. So I'm definitely gonna try to mess around with those settings a little bit more. And also the iPhone, which it just has been this way, was just way too bright. You know, like you're seeing all this extra detail, but you're also seeing all these extra digital artifacts, all this noise, because it's just too bright. It's trying to take in too much information. So it was a little bit of both extremes there. I'll have to try to see what I can do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.